Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the render distance in Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resync'd. Let's begin by opening the main menu. Do so by pressing the escape key on the keyboard or the menu button on the controller. This will take you to the main menu. From here, select Options. In Options, make sure you are in the Video tab, then go to Scalability. Here, scroll down. Look for the Geometry tab. Here is the loading distance. You can click on this section to open the drop-down list, and now you can pick one of the available presets. There is ultra low, very low, low, medium, high, very high, and ultra high. From here you can pick one of them. If you want to actually see what the changes look like, look at this image and use those arrows to scroll between different loading distances. Here is estimated VRAM, one of the important metrics for you during your customization. Make sure this isn't filled up all the way. If it's yellow or red, the game will notify you. That means that you are exceeding the capacity of your PC, let's say. I can, for example, select ultra high, and as you can see, it isn't actually as bad as it could be. Anyway, once you make your choice, for me ultra high, hit apply to save the changes. Note, the game world needs to reload for the option to be applied. Hit reload now. This will take you to the loading screen. This may take a while for you. For me it takes just a second. And as you can see, we are right back and with a longer loading distance. And I think that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.